guys, and welcome back to a brand new vlog. Woo. I was editing last week's vlog and I realized I never had an intro, so I'm gonna make an intro for that vlog later today. Love traffic. Okay, so I put some makeup on now and I just did an intro to the last vlog you guys watched, so I'm wearing like the same thing. Yes, oh my god, I need to get my nails done. It's ugly and it's raining, but I have stuff to do. I gotta go to, well, at first I gotta make my freaking bed because I'm gross. I don't know what else to say. I found these super cute sunglasses. I'll show you guys how they look in the car, but I love them. I got the cutest freaking glasses at Target. And I am currently on my way to Barnes and Noble to pick up the book if tomorrow comes, because my best friend Megan is reading it and she literally says that she loves it, so we gotta read it, right? No, I actually really want to know what it's about because she's very intrigued in it, so she's intrigued. Hopefully I am, because we're the same freaking person, right? Right, Megan knows. Oh my god, did you guys see how I just tried to wink at the camera? I need to tell you guys, oh my god. Okay, let me look for a parking spot and then let me settle down and tell y'all. This store called Anko, it's A-N-K-O. It just opened up like right next to my house. I've never ever heard of it before. And I'm obsessed. It's like, it has clothes, it has a lot of home decor, it has like plates, and everything is like $3 to like $25. Like there's like bedside tables for $35. And maybe, okay, yeah, maybe it's not real marble, but who cares? So if you are a college student and you're getting like your own place, definitely look up ANKO. I know their Instagram is like USA ANKO, like USA ANKO. They are Australian based. They have the cutest freaking stuff. Perfect for like a college student, or like just like if you want to add some more like decor and stuff. It's super affordable. Has the cutest stuff, you guys. Literally, like there was bedside tables that were the cutest things for $35. Like what? Even not even at Home Goods, not even at freaking Target, nowhere. I am obsessed, and you guys definitely need to check it out. I love it. And yeah, and I've been using this serum to make my eyelashes longer, and I feel like it's kind of working. I don't know, it's been like 4 or 5 days, so I'll keep you guys updated on more. And I hope no one is in their car watching me talk to myself. If anyone knows a doctor that could get rid of like this double chin, that would be awesome, because it's just not flattering. So hit me up in the comments. Hey, why don't you have a double chin at this angle? Just wanted to update you guys a little bit on my room stuff. So it's 4 tiers and it's like long, and I can fit all my shoes on it. It's kind of messy right now. My whole room is really messy. I am packing, so please don't look at any of that stuff. And this is also still not organized, but I put it in there and I bought this little organizer thing, so this pulls out. I'll put some stuff on top, so then it's just not all thrown in there. So yeah, that's kind of cute. And I got those both on Amazon. I can link them down below. But that is what I got. So I'm leaving tomorrow morning, and this is what I have. So I got my swimsuits out here. Okay, so continuing on like the prep and pack with me for Cabo. I did all my laundry. It's kind of everywhere. Oh, as you guys can see, I have a big freaking pile of swimsuits. I've already picked out the ones I'm taking. We're there for 7 days, and I'm taking probably 8. So okay, better, good. That's not bad. I already started packing, so I put my underwear and bra in here and some sports bras in this little zipper pocket. I wish I had the little cubes, but whatever, I'll just make do of it. I usually pack pretty good, and I'm just bringing like a carry-on size because I'd feel really excessive if I was packing any more than that. I've been like trying on outfits and like what exactly I'm gonna wear and stuff. I don't know the exact itinerary for like the whole trip, but I just want to make sure that I have outfits and not just like random stuff, because I do want to fit everything in there. So I've been trying on outfits, seeing what I'm going to wear with what, like what shirt with what bottoms and what shoes and yada, yada, yada. And so that's what I've been doing so far. I need to also take some tags off of things. I bought a lot of like fun, cute things, and that'll be up in a, here, I'll talk to you guys this way. It'll be in a haul. That's what it's called. Maybe before this video or after, but it's a summer haul. So yeah. So that's where my packing is going on right now. Okay, so I'm heading out, and I still haven't packed, but I'll pack tonight. I have everything basically set aside that it's gonna go in there. So everything is basically ready to go. I also made a list on my phone, so I totally recommend you guys doing that, to make a list of everything that you need. Like I have all my toiletries, makeup, everything that goes in the suitcase, kind of organized. And I know that doesn't look very organized, but I swear it is, and I swear it's gonna get done. Time got away, and I have a little birthday party to go to. But at least I have everything set aside. All I have to do is fit it in the bag. I have like my bikinis, my shoes, and all like my underwear and bras packed. I just need like the bigger bulk of clothes, like my dresses, shorts, and stuff like that. So yeah, I will show you guys that whenever I get home. Sorry, this jingling is probably really annoying. See you guys in a little bit. Or I'll see you guys when I'm finally officially packing my suitcase. So it is currently like midnight. No, it's like 1 a.m. I have to be up at 6, so that's great. But I finished putting all my clothes away. I still need to pack like my toiletries and stuff. That won't take long. That'll take like another 10 minutes. Little hack that I want to show you guys is that this hat, you find like a little hole for it, put it in, so then it doesn't get all messed up and weird. Put all my swimsuits in here, and it's ready to go. See, not too bad. I rolled, since I don't have like the little cubicle things that everyone has, you just roll everything up really tight. My friend from California, actually, who like had to fly back and forth from school to home to California, often she kind of showed me how to pack when we went to Vegas. She said shoes and denim first, because it's like the bulkiest, because I used to just throw everything. So that's at the very bottom, so shoes and denim. And then did like shirts rolled up. I put some stuff inside like the inside my shoes, like, you know, like I rolled it up and put it in. So yeah, super efficient. I have like literally so much stuff in here, and it's a little carry-on, and it fits perfectly.